Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Very exciting day today. This build's done, so it's time to demo this guitar. If you haven't seen the whole series, I'm going to post a link in the description and probably put up a card so you can check out the entire build, start to finish. Huge thank you to Solo Music Gear for sending me this guitar kit, and to Bellin for sending me basically all of the finishing materials that I used on it. It's been a lot of fun, and I think it turned out great. I'm real happy with it, and it's time to demo it. Now this part's always kind of bittersweet for me because I've done the build, which is awesome, real excited, but also I'm done the build, which is, not awesome because I don't get to work on it anymore. Luckily I've got other ones coming up. And also I like playing my new build and seeing how they sound and everything, but I'm not very good at guitar, so filming them, well, it is what it is. I will be doing an upgrade series on this, or at least an upgrade video where I go in and replace a bunch of the hardware and parts, and it's going to be really cool. We still have a little bit left in our $300 budget there, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. We're gonna get a whole bunch of cool upgrade parts and upgrade this thing, and then I'm gonna bring in somebody who can actually play the damn thing, and they will demo it once it's all set up. But for now, we're on a timeline and a budget and yada yada, so you're stuck with me. So cheers to a successful build, and let's get going on this. In case anyone's wondering, I'm recording straight into like a standard Rode mic on the camera. In fact, there's probably some clear coat and stuff on the filter, so I'm sorry my recording equipment is not excellent, but we're going to do what we can with it. I'm coming out of a 50 watt 112 Valve King, a PV, and for those of you who are really paying attention, this would probably confuse you, but I like to wire my switches upside down, so my switch is wired so that when I flick it down I end up with the neck, because that's how I drop into my solos or whatever, and then up is the bridge. Of course, middle is a combination of the two. So without further ado, let's get playing this thing, and hopefully you can evaluate the sound of it without having to pay too much attention to my playing. Let's go. Alright, I've got everything dimed here basically, so let's start with the bridge. Oh, one other thing, my bridge pickup is set up lower on this one, so I can basically flick it into neck, which is my solo mode usually, and have it a little bit louder. It's like a boost. That's probably not a logical way to set it up, but I do it fairly frequently. If you don't like that, just raise the bridge up. Just tuned this thing for the first time, so the expectations are low for tuning stability because the strings are brand new, but we'll be giving her a nut upgrade at some point, so don't push on the cord when you're sitting. I won't play the 10 points for guessing the song game this time, because last time it took literally months and one person ended up getting it right. Alright, neck pickup. I do have a pick here. I said, not good at guitar. Hang on. Pedals, save me. Ugh. Well guys, she plays. The tuning stability is actually a bit better than I thought it would be, considering we haven't replaced anything yet. We'll of course be getting a new nut, and next time I'll stretch the strings properly. Might do a new bridge as well, I would think probably. Sure looks good, and I'm really happy with it. Yeah, I need to start practicing playing these things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the series and the build. I know I really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you can check out the upgrades that we end up doing to this thing. I'm very excited to see how those go. I'm probably going to put my own twist on some of them, so that should be fun. And of course, we've got a few more guitar kits that we're going to be building right away here. So stick around, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And I will see you next time. Have a good one.